Today we got this 3 Series. It's here for a windshield. I can see some sunroof issues. And it needs a back glass. So we're gonna tackle that today. And we'll get the hyperlapse up as soon as we can. And the video edit. Alright, so with this 3 Series, it's not like it's a difficult job. It's pretty easy to do. But we do have some issues. Like, I can see that this is sun rotted. This back glass has been broken for a long time, and it's just been sitting in the sun. We got the C-pillars rotted. They're already cracked. So this thing, we're gonna have to be delicate with it. But it can be done. Oh, you can see where it got hit, where it got broken. Something hit it right there. But we're gonna make this look nice.
Alright, so now that we got the back glass done on this guy, typical BMW 3 Series windshield, nothing crazy about it. A little more time consuming than other cars, Corollas, Camrys, things like that, but just a typical windshield, same process, just do it right the first time.
See, windshield in. We had to leave the wipers off because the clips were broken on the wiper from the arm. So we'll give the customer a chance to bring in their own wipers. We don't upsell here, so it is what it is. You see the back glass is in. She's back to normal. Ready to go back home.